Explore top budget-friendly RC bashers designed to deliver thrilling off-road action without breaking the bank. These durable models feature rugged construction and high-performance components, ideal for tackling rough terrains and providing hours of fun. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best budget RC bashers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Cat Volcano EPX Pro 1/10 10th scale RTR monster truck is a budget-friendly powerhouse, delivering excitement and performance in every run. This RC basher boasts a 3300 kV RC540 brushless motor paired with a waterproof 60A ESC, ensuring high-speed thrills on any terrain. Its 6K steering servo and 2.4 GHz radio system provide responsive handling, while the durable molded plastic chassis, reinforced with an aluminum brace, offers both strength and stability. A low center of gravity enhances maneuverability, making this truck agile despite its aggressive stance. The Volcano EPX Pro features rugged, skid-plated bodywork and eye-catching 10-spoke wheels, adding both protection and style. Fully adjustable, aluminum oil-filled shocks, tunable differentials, and independent suspension allow for customizable performance, while the metal turnbuckles enable fine-tuning of camber and toe angles. With upgradable components and extensive part support, the Volcano EPX Pro is a versatile choice for both casual and serious RC enthusiasts. It's ready to run out of the box, offering a thrilling ride with brushless power and four-wheel drive. Whether tearing up the track or conquering tough terrains, the Volcano EPX Pro stands out as a top-tier budget RC basher, delivering explosive fun and reliability. The Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL takes stadium truck performance to a whole new level, offering a blend of speed, strength, and durability that's hard to beat in its class. Powered by the Volinion brushless system, this RC basher delivers blistering speeds while maintaining control and stability. The factory-installed Extreme Heavy-Duty Upgrade Kit reinforces key drivetrain and suspension components, ensuring the Rustler can withstand even the toughest terrain. From HD suspension arms to robust steel wheel hubs, the Rustler 4x4 VXL is built to last, making it one of the most durable RC trucks on the market. The self-righting feature is a game-changer, allowing the Rustler to flip itself back onto its wheels with the press of a button, minimizing downtime. The clipless body mounting system not only provides a secure fit, but also allows for quick and easy body removal, making maintenance a breeze. With its rugged design, powerful performance, and innovative features, the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL stands out as a top choice for those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-quality RC basher. Whether you're hitting the track or the backyard, this truck is ready to take on any challenge with style and power. The Maverick Quantum 2 MT Flux is a thrilling upgrade to an already popular RC basher, delivering enhanced performance and durability without breaking the bank. Now offered in striking race red with black wheels or eye-catching green with neon wheels, this beast packs a punch with its 3500 kV Flux brushless motor and 3S-compatible speed controller, ensuring blistering top speeds. Built to impress, it comes with all-new treads, wheels, and tires, functional front and rear lights, including working brake lights, all controllable via the sleek new transmitter. Designed for durability, the Quantum 2 MT Flux boasts rugged construction from top to bottom. Thick suspension arms, reinforced metal axles, and sturdy drive shafts ensure it can take on the toughest terrain while staying on course. Real metal bearings and a reinforced chassis further enhance its resilience. The heavy-duty polycarbonate body, fully pre-painted, offers exceptional tensile strength while maintaining flexibility, making it perfect for high-impact bashing. With added features like waterproofing on the 80A ESC and a robust chassis that connects the shock towers, the Quantum 2 MT Flux is engineered to dominate. The Arma Vortex 4x4 3S BLX Stadium Truck is a fierce contender in the budget RC bashers category, delivering raw speed and unmatched durability. Powered by a Spectrum Firma 3200 kV brushless motor, this truck blazes past competition straight out of the box. Equip it with a 3S LiPo battery and optional pinion gear, and you'll be hitting over 60 miles per hour, making it the first Arma 4x4 3S BLX model to achieve such speeds. Built on Arrma's rugged 4x4 platform, the Vortex handles rough terrain with ease, from dirt and grass to asphalt and gravel. The composite chassis, oil-filled shocks, metal-geared differentials, and high-traction D-Boots Qatar tires ensure durability and superior performance. The striking stadium truck body, complete with an injection-molded wing and roof skids, exudes toughness. Advanced Spectrum electronics enhance the driving experience with the DX3 DSMR 2.4 GHz radio system and AVC for on-demand traction. With the Spectrum dashboard app, monitor real-time telemetry like top speed and battery voltage via Bluetooth. The Traxxas Stampede 4x4 redefines what it means to be the best budget RC basher, now more formidable than ever. With its newly extended chassis and massive 5.3-inch sledgehammer tires, this monster truck stands tall, boasting a presence that's impossible to ignore. Its aggressive stance is matched by an all-new BL2S brushless power system that delivers up to 60% more speed and quicker acceleration compared to its brushed counterparts. The 3300 kV motor, paired with high-speed ball bearings and an internal cooling fan, ensures not just raw power but also reliable all-day performance with minimal upkeep. Durability is at the heart of the Stampede 4x4's design. It comes standard with Traxxas Extreme Heavy-Duty Upgrade Kit, which includes beefed-up drivetrain and suspension components. These upgrades, like the heavy-duty suspension arms and steel wheel hubs, make this the toughest Stampede ever, built to withstand even the most punishing bashing sessions. The inclusion of a clipless body mounting system adds both convenience and resilience. The body securely locks into place with a rugged internal cage and reinforced skids to protect it during inevitable rollovers. For both newcomers and experienced RC enthusiasts, the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 offers an unbeatable combination of power, strength, and innovation. Whether you're tearing through off-road trails or conquering urban obstacles, this truck is engineered to dominate, offering an unparalleled monster truck experience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.